This tutorial is on requesting ebooks and e-audiobooks. If you are an ebook reader or like to listen to e-audiobooks, you can check out an Overdrive ebook or e-audiobook in the pack and it will sync up with your Libby account. In order to check out an ebook or e-audiobook, you must have an account with Overdrive. If you're not familiar with Overdrive or Libby, please watch our video Getting Started with Libby on our YouTube channel. You must sign into the pack in order to check out an ebook or e-audiobook. For more information on searching the pack, narrowing down your searches, or signing into your account, please review the tutorials on searching the pack and introduction to the pack. In this example, a search was conducted for books written by William W. Johnstone. In order to narrow down to the ebooks, use the Narrow My Search and choose ebook. Now the results will only show ebooks. The icons below the picture of the book cover indicate that this is an ebook. Once the title is found, you can check it out from the pack as you would any other book. The checkout screen allows you to choose between Adobe EPUB ebook, a Kindle book format, or Overdrive Read. The ebook that was checked out through the pack does appear in your patron record. You may use the check-in button from your patron account to check it in early. If you've checked out a book through Libby, but it doesn't show up in your patron record, use the Refresh e-content button to sync up your Libby account with your patron record. The ebook you have checked out through the pack does appear on your Library to Go account as well as in your Libby app, ready to be listened to or read on whatever device you are using. For more information on checking out an ebook from the pack or any other questions, please feel free to contact the North Dakota State Library at 1-800-472-2104 or 701-328-4622. You can also email us at statelib@nd.gov. Thank you.